Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. It is 12 o'clock. Today is going by so fast, but I wanted to start up this little weekly vlog. So here's my outfit. I'm just in gym clothes because I have my workout class right after work at 5 o'clock. So I have to literally like run out of here right at 4:30. Not super exciting, but I will tell you guys where my outfit's from. This is Under Armour. This top is from Amazon. It came in like a set of 4. And then sports bra, it's so cute, cheetah print from TJ Maxx. And then my workout pants are also from TJ Maxx. Slippers are LL Bean, and then my socks are Champions. I like wearing like the high socks because my feet, TMI, sweat a lot and I get blisters pretty much all the time when I wear workout shoes for some reason. So I like to wear thick socks. But anyways, Brad just went and got us lunch. We don't really have any food. I'm going to go to the grocery store after my workout class. I made a list of everything that I need to grab. So hopefully I'll be in and out. Probably not. I feel like I'm always at the freaking grocery store for so long. So yeah, trying to think what else. But yeah, it's going to be a busy week. I got to go feed Riggins. He's crying. So I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so it is now Tuesday. It's about, I don't even know what time it is, like 11:35. And yesterday, I'm trying to think, I went to spin, went grocery shopping, came home, showered, went to bed, and now it's Tuesday, 11:30, and I have work in an hour. I did spin this morning, went to Target. I didn't get anything to like really show. I just got whatever I couldn't find at the grocery store. My grocery store literally had no chicken, so I went to Target. What else did I get? I just got like snacks. Nothing really exciting to show you guys. I know, shocking. But yeah, it was crazy. My grocery store literally had nothing. So I have been wanting to like deep clean. I feel like when, you know, spring cleaning, and I wanted to do it this past weekend, but it got super busy and I just like need to clean. I feel like everything's dusty, so I'm like deep cleaning everything right now. I'm doing my bathroom, so almost done with laundry. If you know, you know. So this past weekend I literally didn't do anything like to clean, and I really wanted to. That was my plan. And I did laundry Friday night, I think. Yeah, Friday night, and it didn't dry, so it was sitting overnight, and it just like had that weird smell. So like I said, I didn't do anything this past weekend, so the amount of laundry that I had to do yesterday, I'm almost caught up, or these past few days has been insane, but we're almost there because Brad and I both, we work out and then pajamas and then I try to get dressed, so like there's 3 outfits usually in one day. So yeah, we go through a lot of laundry. I feel like I'm always doing it. But anyways, I'm trying to think. Just gonna start work. I have a really long to-do list to get done today, hopefully. So yeah, Tuesdays are definitely more of administrative work, just because I don't start work until late, so I like to be productive in the morning. And then yeah, it's just a busy day. But anyways, if anyone's interested, my outfit is from Confetti Babe. It's a 3-piece set, so it comes with this duster, this cute little tank, and then these hands as well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep cleaning, and then the time that I have left over from cleaning, I'm going to read my book because I haven't had a chance to read in a little bit. So yeah, if there's anything to show you guys today, I will bring you guys along, but if not, I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday. It is 12:30 and I am heating up some lunch, so I apologize for the microwave. I'm just having leftover beef stew that I made yesterday. It was so freaking good, so just having leftovers. But this tank top, in case anyone's interested, is from Free People, and then my joggers are Confetti Babe, and we have one pair left. I believe if it's still in stock by the time this goes up, I will link them below along with a coupon code for you guys. But anyways, need to go back to work, but tonight is just going to be a me night because Brad is working. So once I'm done work, I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I obviously am there every freaking day. I have to grab a few things that I forgot, and then what else do I need to get? Oh, then I'm gonna come home, record for the podcast. Wednesdays are going to be like my recording days. And then, oh, I want to go through my closet and start putting away like my spring and summer stuff. You just never know with New England weather. But regardless, I want to see what I want to keep and what needs to go. So I want to do that today too. So we have a busy Wednesday ahead of us. And then I need to catch up on all my housewives because I'm behind. That's not okay. So go to that. And also Emily in Paris, the first season I like binged in like a day. I literally think I finished it in a day. But season 2 is not as good. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts. And I'm very late to the game with Emily in Paris. But I have to go back to work. I just want to give you guys a little rundown of my Wednesday. And I will be taking you guys along with me since it's going to be like a chill night. I was going to do a night routine, but we'll save that for another time when I'm more prepared. And while my food is heating up, I want to show you guys, this is not sponsored, but Drip Drop, if you're watching this, sponsor me. So I don't drink enough water. So I'm getting a little bit better because I bought a big water bottle that me and my sister like challenge each other to finish. We got the same ones. But sometimes I'm just not in the mood for water, you know? Actually, I'm never like in the mood for water. It's really bad. I don't drink enough of it. So this is the famous water bottle. Okay, I guess it's not that small. For some reason, it just feels smaller because my water bottles are bigger. If you know, you know. I showed this in a YouTube video at haul. But Drip Drop. Okay, I bought these intentionally. So I wanted to order liquid IV, but I was like, ooh, like 30 bucks. Like, do I really want to spend 25, 30 bucks on powder? No, I didn't. So I saw these, it had good reviews, and it's essentially the same thing. It's Drip Drops Dehydration Relief Fast. So obviously good for hangovers, but like I said, I just don't drink a lot of water, and today I've been doing okay, but I'm just not in the mood for water. I want like something with a little flavor. So these are really good. The flavors like aren't too strong either, where it's like, whoa, this is intense. So I'm having the watermelon one. But yeah, I've tried Drip Drop Liquid IV is really good. It's just a little bit more pricey. I think this was $16.99 and you got 12. And I also have tried Naked Aid. This was sent to me for review, but I really like Naked Aid as well. I just want to try different things. I'm gonna order Gator. Sorry if you can hear my laundry, but you guys, there is no better feeling than when you're caught up with laundry. This is the last load, then I gotta put it away, and then there's literally nothing in the hamper. I love that, except my workout towel from this morning because I forgot to put it in the wash this morning, but regardless, it's the best feeling. I'm gonna try the Gatorade has one, has a powder that I want to try, and Glacier Cherry, which is my favorite Gatorade. So circle back on that, but I want to show you guys. I'll link these below, but they're really good. Just a little what I've been loving, and I'm going to start linking my like everyday products and things that I love in the comments or description of this video. Hey guys, so it is now Thursday, and I know I said that I was going to take you guys along with me yesterday, like throughout the night, but honestly I ended up going to the market because I had to get a few things, and then I was on the phone with my sister, and then literally just went to bed. So there wasn't really much to show you guys, but it is St. Patrick's Day, so I am in my green. It is so nice out, kind of. It's overcast, but temperature wise it's nice. So I'm just wearing this dress. It's super comfortable. It's from Forever 21. It's like a good work from home outfit when I want to like get dressed up but still stay comfortable. So yeah, it's super old. I'll try and link it below. But anyways, didn't do my workout class. I'm taking today off. I think Thursdays moving forward will always be like my off days unless I have something else going on, need to change things up. But the times on Thursdays are just a little bit hard for me. It's super early in the morning and I don't want to get up that early. And the later class, it's new arrival for the boutique. It's just a busier day in general. So yeah, Thursdays are going to be my days off, but I am going to do some yoga stretching. I'm gotta clean my mat and I'm going to do that later tonight. So still getting somewhat of a workout in, but just going to stretch and do some yoga moves. So anyways, today I've just been working, and Brad and I actually went through his closet and donating so much. So I feel really good about that. I'm really trying to declutter. So on my, let's you guys around, on my lunch break, that is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna run out the trash. Brad just took Reagan's to go get his nails and teeth done, and I was like, I'll do the trash because his hands were full. So usually he does it. I hate doing the trash, but I gotta take that out, and then I'm going to go through my closet, really see what I want. This pile of clothes I've already gone through. These are going to be listed on my POSHMARK. So I feel like I'm just starting my spring cleaning early. Maybe not, actually. The first day of spring is this Sunday. So put you guys down on my chair. I'm going to show you some pieces that I am listing on. Please don't fall. Listing on POSHMARK. There we go. Just like this sweatshirt. It's a pink velvet sweatshirt. I just don't wear it. Again, I really like this, but I'm just trying to get rid of stuff I don't need. A lot of the boutique pieces I am listing, I'm just really trying to get rid of as much as I can. My closet is overflowing, and as you guys know and have seen in these videos, I keep buying more. So this cute little sweatshirt, love it. It says sweater, boots, and pumpkins. Good for the fall time. This super cute cheetah dress, and this is not an ad, but I do love Poshmark because if there is somewhere that I want to wear this dress, I can, and you can still resell it as long as it's in good condition. So, but these are just some of the pieces that I know I'm not going to wear, and then I have to go through my closet and really think about, like, am I going to wear this? Have I worn this the past year? If not, I need to get rid of it. This is a super cute, on me it's a dress, but it can be worn as a top too with jeans. Super cute. I love this. Oh, I don't want to get rid of it, but again, I don't need it. This bomber jacket, like there's so much. So I'll link my Poshmark below. But anyways, I'm going to continue working at my lunch break. For my lunch break is in 3 minutes, but yeah, I'm just going to try and clean, declutter. You guys, I made the best coffee this morning. I really want another one, but my French press is dirty and it's like ground coffee. So let me show you. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking good. You guys, right here. This is our dining room that we don't use. Pistachio cream coffee. I literally want to make another cup. It was so good. I really like, Kelsey, if you're watching this, thank you so much for showing me the New England coffee brand. I definitely have seen it before. I never realized like all the yummy flavors that they have. It's so good. My freaking dining room. It's where we store all of our like new stuff that we got for the wedding, for our new house. And I am going to finish putting laundry away and gonna try and get rid of stuff in my closet. Also, I am loving this water bottle. Me and my sister have been challenging each other. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Me and my sister have been challenging each other and to see who can finish first. Today I'm not doing so hot, but love this water bottle. TJ Maxx. Can never go wrong there.